Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the Meijer, and Meijer has some really good savings this week. They start their 7 for $7 sale. You can grab more than 7 items if you prefer, but you have to grab at least 7 items to get them for the $1 each. So I'll have them grouped together more towards the end of the video so you can kind of gather your deals together. We do have some digital coupons for some and some ibotta rebates for some, so you can grab some really good savings with those. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Unfortunately guys, I forgot to charge my microphone, so there's gonna be extra background noise in this video, so sorry. But anyway, we have the 7 for 7 this week, like I mentioned earlier. So one of my favorite ones that you can grab are the Rise energy drinks, deodorant sticks, or the sprays if you prefer the sprays. They're on promotion for buy one get one 40% off. So you'll grab one at full price, one at 40% off, and your total, since mine are $5.29, my total would be $8.46. We have a $6 digital coupon, making them $2.46 for both. Need some razors. We have good savings on them this week. You can grab the big razors. Most of them are on sale for $5.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, making them just $2.99. Grab the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser. This is the dry skin. It's $10.49. We have a $5 digital coupon, making it just $5.49. Deal on shaving cream this week is so the Pure Silk Shaving Cream is buy one get one free, and you're gonna grab 2 of them. We have a $1 digital coupon that will also apply, making them $1.75 for both. Grab the Soapbox hand soaps that are $4.39. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so it'll make 2 of them $4.39. Another good deal is on the Vaseline lotion. You can grab the larger pump styles for $8.49, or you can grab the smaller ones that are on sale for $4.49, and you're gonna grab 2 of them. 2 of them, depending on which ones you will be grabbing. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so make 2 of the pump style ones $8.49, or 2 of the small ones $4.49. Hot deal is on the Ollie body wash. They're on sale for $9.99. You'll grab 2 of them for that price because we have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $9.99. For those Soapbox hair products, you can use the buy one get one free digital coupon on these products, so you can grab like 2 of the shampoo conditioners, or I believe the styler products are also included, so it'll be $10.49 for 2 or $9.29 for 2. Over in my clearance section, I don't know why these are on clearance, but these look like kids backpacks, or could be used for children's backpacks. 25% off. I mean, they're still pricey, but I don't know how much normal backpacks are. Still on these I Love You brand squeeze treats. They are $3.15. You'll grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them $3.15 for both. Super hot savings on these Fancy Feast Petites. They are $1.19 each. You'll have to grab 2 of them. 2 of them will be $2.38. We have a 50-cent digital coupon. You'll pay $1.88 at the register. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents. Make them $1.13 for both. The store for the Blue Buffalo Tasteful Adult Hairball Control. My store just started to clearance this. It's only like 25% off, so $14.84. There's no coupons or rebates, but something might pop up eventually. I can't pass this up. My dogs and cats love the Stella and Chewy stuff, but they're just so dang expensive. But this one's 75% off for this dinner dust. It's probably just crumbs of like that stuff, but for $5, like, I can't complain. Guys, look how cute these are. They look almost kind of like people food with like the peanut butter cups, you know. Need some Febreze refills. We do have savings on them this week. You can grab the twin packs. They're on sale for $9.99. There's a $3 digital coupon, making them $6.99. Getting ahead of myself. Or you can grab the 4 count. That's on sale for $17.29. Use that coupon, making them $14.29. On coffee, it's on the Dunkin' Mint Chip, or I think it's the hazelnut one, but it's only on those 2 flavors, the ground coffee or the K-Cups, that like the 10 count. They're on sale for $7.99. Grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them $7.99 for both. Come grab the Knorr pasta or rice solids. They're 2 for $4. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them 2 for $3. Really good deal is on the Werther's candies. They're the smaller bags that are $2.99. You'll grab 2 of them with a buy one get one free digital coupon, making 2 bags $2.99. The deal is on these, I don't even know how to say that, but it's these candies. So it's a 15 count box for $3.49. Grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free coupon, making them both $3.49. So for this limited edition birthday cake Cheerios, just $2. Deal on these Jimmy Dean waffles. They're on sale 2 for $9. And we have a $2 off of each digital coupon, which will make them 2 for $5. Next pizzas are 3 for $10, so mix and match and grab your favorite 3 flavors. Deal on the Meijer brand pork chops if you like them. They are buy one get one for $1. Oh, you can grab any of the Caesar trays. My dogs love these, but the puppy one, we have 35 cents on Ibotta, making it 65 cents. Good savings on the creamette pasta if it's a brand you like. They are part of the 7 for 7. And guess what? Remember how on Monday my CVS store was doing inventory? Guess what Meijer is doing? Inventory. The Chef Boyardee single cans are part of this deal. Well, I'm so annoyed. Someone beat me to the Rockstar Zero Sugar. I prefer the silver can, and it's completely empty already. I don't like this one. This it's too sugary for me, but like this one's okay, but I don't like the calorie amount. I prefer like 0 to 5 or 10 calories per drink. So that's too much for me. You can grab the light and fit yogurts that are part of the promotion. We do have a $1 off of 4 digital coupon that expires today, so $7.22. And then I have a 35 cent only for you digital coupon. Grab the Chobani yogurts, otherwise the light and fit. And we have a $1 off of 5 digital coupons, so you'd have to grab 5 yogurts. The flavors of the pizza roll boxes are included. Grab 4 of these Michelini's meals. We have a $1 off of 4 on Ibotta, but make sure you scan all the ones you're going to grab to make sure they qualify. Simply single juices are well over 50% off. Always sell out super fast. These boneless bacon wrapped pork eye rounds are just $1 whole. Like, this is a really hot deal, especially during the summer and you have to try to find your kids Lunchables for just $1. That's an easy quick lunch. Guys, this is everything I'm grabbing. So I'm grabbing 10 items for the 7 for 7 sale, and then these other couple deals. So let's go check out. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I grabbed everything that I showed you. So let's go over my receipt. So to start off, we have the shaving cream. So you can see that it took off the $2.75, so the sale price, then the $1 digital coupon because one was free. Then we have the Fancy Feast, and then 25 cents came off of each one since there was a 50 off at 2. Then we have the Caesar wet dog food. So these are part of the 7 for 7 sale. So you can see $1 sale price. So they'll take off 29 cents per one of those since I grabbed 5. Then we grabbed I can't say what that is. Oh, the yogurt. So I grabbed 5 of the same one. So like I said, so for the $1 sale, it'll take off 49 cents off each one. And then I have a $1 coupon off of I think I said there was 5 of them. Yeah. So I took off, no, it was off of 4 or whatever. Anyway, whatever it was, I grabbed 5 yogurts, but then I had the 35 cent off of 1 yogurt. Then I actually found some Rockstars. They were on a little display up by the cash registers, so I wanted to scream in excitement because I got the white can. That's the one I like. So I grabbed 8 of those because I like to grab those in even numbers because I take them to work. And then last but not least, we had that clearance dog food topper, and there was a $5 digital coupon that did attach. Sometimes with clearance items, you never know if it's going to actually attach at the checkout, because you can scan the regular item on the shelf and it's it might attach. It'll usually attach if it's supposed to, but at checkout, depending on how they word the item or whatever and what it's on clearance for, depends on if the coupons come off. So I was excited to get that big a dog topper for just 75 cents. So before tax, my total was like $21. And then I submitted to ibotta for $2.50. So it makes everything a lot cheaper. How many items did I grab? Oh, it doesn't say. That's okay. Oh, 23 items. So it makes every item less than $1, which I think is a really good deal. I mean, most of the items I grabbed were part of the dollar sale, but still. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.